continue with the application problems from section 2.3. Now we're going to do part B. Okay. It says the length of a rectangular poster is 1 feet more than the width, and the diagonal of the poster is 5 feet. Find the length and the width. Okay, let's start by drawing a picture of this object here. So I'm going to just draw a rectangle. And since they mentioned the diagonal, I'm going to go ahead and include that as well. Okay. It says the length is 1 feet more than the width, so I'm going to start by making W the width. And that is in feet. Okay. And then the length in feet is 1 feet more than the width, so it'd be 1 plus W, or W plus 1. Okay, so this is a length, so this would be the length right here. This is a width. Okay. It also says that it has a diagonal of 5 feet, so that'd be this length right here. That's a diagonal. So they want us to find the length and the width. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a Pythagorean theorem. This squared plus this squared is equal to 5 squared. So let's go ahead and write that down. So I'll put W plus 1 squared plus W squared is equal to 5 squared. And then what I'm going to do is simplify this. Let's first multiply this out. This is one of our special products you know from your previous intermediate algebra course. Okay, and if I square this one, it's equal to 25. If I add my like terms together, I get 2W squared plus 2W plus 1 is equal to 25. I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. Which gives me negative 24. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve this. I'm going to factor out a 2 first. And then factor this trinomial. Okay, and then set each of these factors equal to 0. For 1, I get negative 4. Now I know the width cannot be negative, so I know that's definitely not my answer. For my other one, I get 3, and that makes more sense. So 3 does make sense. Okay, so to answer the question was find the length and the width. The width we know is 3 feet. And the length, if you recall, the length is 1 feet more than the width. So if we look at the formula up here, we know if the width is 3, the length would have to be 4 feet. Okay, so that answers this particular question.